The owl, a creature of the night, embodies mystery and wisdom in the natural world. With its distinctive appearance and nocturnal habits, the owl has captured human fascination for centuries. One of the owl's most notable features is its specialized adaptations for nocturnal hunting. Large, forward-facing eyes provide exceptional low-light vision, allowing it to navigate in the dark and spot prey with remarkable accuracy. The facial disc, a circular arrangement of feathers, enhances sound reception by directing sounds toward the ears, giving the owl unparalleled auditory capabilities. Owls are silent hunters, their flight feathers equipped with serrated edges that minimize noise during flight. This stealthy approach aids in ambushing small mammals, birds, and insects, the primary components of their diet. The powerful talons and sharp beak of an owl complete its formidable hunting toolkit. Beyond their physical adaptations, owls have woven themselves into the fabric of human culture and mythology. Symbolizing wisdom in various traditions, the owl is often associated with knowledge, foresight, and intuition. In ancient Greece, the owl was linked to Athena, the goddess of wisdom, while Native American cultures view owls as messengers and guardians of the spirit world. The haunting hoots and calls of owls contribute to the atmospheric allure of the night. These vocalizations serve various purposes, including territorial communication and courtship displays. Different owl species exhibit distinct calls, ranging from the eerie screeches of barn owls to the resonant hoots of great horned owls. Owls also play ecological roles, helping to control rodent populations and maintain the balance of ecosystems. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy environment, reflecting the interconnected relationships between predator and prey. Observing an owl in the wild or hearing its call in the darkness evokes a sense of wonder and respect for the enigmatic creatures of the night. Owls, with their silent flights and ancient symbolism, continue to be captivating ambassadors of the mysterious and magical aspects of the natural world.